never mind. There, I can stroke him now. He's adorable, baby. So cute. He's happy, by the way. Let me show you his face. He's so cute. Isn't he cute? Just look at his face. Look at his fur. He's so fluffy. I can stroke him. Oh, he loves it. I'm going to play with him as well. With this toy I'm going to show you. Here's that toy. He likes playing with a toy. He doesn't really want to get it. He just wants a stroke. When he first came here, he wanted to play. When he arrived, when he tried to have a sleepover with me. Let's be gentle. I want to show you his face. He's so adorable and fluffy. He likes these treats. He likes also drinking his water in his water bowl and eating his food. He is very happy. Yeah. Oh gosh, I'm gonna show you. He's so cute though. Hello. Don't bite me, Jack. Be friendly. He is friendly, of course. He's just playful. Stop! I'm trying to stroke you. Calm down. There. Now he's a very friendly dog. I've been playing with him. You can see there are some pictures or photos from 2019 when he was a puppy, which I'm going to show you it now. So this is him when he was a puppy. He was adorable, of course, and you can see that. Ignore the background noise. This is him when he was a baby. Just ignore the background noise. This is him when he was a cute puppy baby. He's still cute. He's still cute. Ignore the background noise. But he's still cute. Look at him. He's so adorable and fluffy. He's so cute. Anyway, sorry if this is short, but I hope you enjoy the video. Peace out. He's adorable doggy. You're so cute.